Good morning, you guys. Let me just drink some water. Today, wait, let me turn this light on. Today is Tuesday. I need to rub the dry shampoo into my hair. So this morning so far, I worked out at my apartment's gym. Last time I went, yesterday, I got so anxious because I didn't really know any of the equipment that they had. There was quite a bit of people, so I went this morning and I went kind of early. There wasn't that many people there. I was able to like walk around, get a scope of the place, which made me feel better about it. Sorry, I just didn't rub this dry shampoo in. I look insane. And then I started editing a video. I haven't finished yet. I needed to import more footage. I'm currently washing my sheets and my mattress topper. I wanted to put my mattress topper on my bed now that I finally got it, but I figured I should probably wash it first. So that is in the washing machine. Today, I'm actually moving out of my apartment. Not this one that I just moved into, my last apartment. My college apartment in Tempe. The lease ends on Monday and today's Tuesday, so it ends in 6 days. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it now, get it over with. I have a lot of stuff going on this week and next week, so I was like, why not? So I'm gonna go over there, kind of collect the rest of my things that I may have left, clean up the place a little bit, just make sure I don't get fined for anything outrageous. And that is the plan for today. I haven't been back there in a while since I moved in here, so I think it's kind of gonna be weird to like go back there. My roommates also moved out of there, so I haven't seen it since they moved out. I think I'm gonna braid my hair today. My hair has just not really been vibing with anything that I've been doing recently. I don't know why I'm like a little bit nervous to move out of that apartment. I also have a package there that I need to get that was delivered there by accident. This probably looks horrible. Oh yeah, it does. I don't really know what I want to do with this. Maybe I'll just do like a low bun. That also doesn't look great, but honestly I don't really care. Not my cutest look, but definitely not my worst either. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna head over to my old apartment. This pains me. I'm literally about to walk out the door, and my friend Sky, she took the photos for the to-do list. She just sent me all of the unedited ones, so I get to like pick which ones I like, and there's so many good ones. But like I want to pick them all out right now, but I have so much to do today. Let's go upstairs. More stairs to go. Okay, so here is my room. I just turned the fan on because the air conditioning was off and it is so hot up here. Oh, I forgot about that. I need to take this mattress topper off, so all this furniture came with the room. And then I need to sand this down. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's getting everywhere. I'm so mad. I peeled off so many planks of wood on this wall and not one single drop of paint came off. And then I take this little thing off the wall, peels the paint off. You're kidding. The pencil marks are not erasing off. One of you guys recommended to use my magic eraser, so we're gonna try that. Do I need to wet it? Okay, she's wet and she's working like a charm. Thank you for recommending this. Love a magic eraser. Can't forget this side. Okay, this side is not as easy. This is absolutely disgusting. Like, this was left. There's just shit everywhere. Oh. I didn't think it was gonna be super clean, but like, I didn't think it was gonna be, ew, like this gross. This doesn't look great, but it looked horrible before, so. Oh wow, this is like permanent stains on here. Ugh. Ah, gosh. This is disgusting. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get this off. Who even did this? Like, this wasn't me. Ew. Okay, back upstairs. I've had this mattress topper since I'm a kid, and it's a full-size one on a queen bed. This bed came with the apartment. I'm like sad to let this mattress topper go. Like, it's been with me through so much. It honestly is so comfortable. I feel like I was sleeping on a cloud every night. But it is time to move on. I realized that I never gave you guys an apartment tour of this apartment, so I thought I would walk through and just show it to you guys before I move out. Some of my roommate stuff is still in here. They haven't fully moved out yet, so keep that in mind. This apartment is called Red Point. It's in Tempe. It used to be called Cottages. This is an apartment complex, but they're like townhome style apartments. I actually really liked living here. The biggest drawback was that it was kind of far from campus. They had a shuttle, but like sometimes the shuttle wouldn't work and then you'd have to Uber, and it was like a whole thing. But other than that, I really liked living here. This model is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the outside. When I move out of my apartments, I don't mind telling you what they're called where I lived, but while I live there, I don't want that information on the internet. So if you know where I live currently, my new apartment, don't comment it. I beg of you. By the time this video goes up, everyone will have moved out here, but this was the apartment that I lived in. So this is basically like an attached duplex. So we only lived in like this right here, and then it's attached to others. This is the front door. You can get these apartments furnished or not furnished. We got ours furnished, so it came with the couch, the chair, that side table, and then that coffee table. And then over here is a little TV stand. It does not come with a TV. Over here is the washer and dryer. And then this is the kitchen. Here's the whole kitchen. This is like a water closet. My biggest pet peeve about this place is I wish this was a half bath, because there's no bath on the main level and I lived on the 3rd floor. I would have to walk up 3 flights of stairs to pee every time. But this is it. This is all of their stuff. That's mine. And then here's some of my cleaning stuff. This is all their stuff. This is a little door to, it's not really much of a back patio. So where I live right here is like the maintenance people's stuff. So this is basically just like a little stoop almost. And then this is like a little nice pantry. I really like this. This was my shelf right here. It's nice and clean. And then it came with these bar stools as well. And then going upstairs, here's the, you guys probably have seen these stairs in my videos. Okay, so it is 3 stories. So now we're on the 2nd floor. So there's this window. Basically all the bedrooms are the exact same. So there's 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, 2 bedrooms on the 3rd floor. They're identical to each other. So I'll show you guys mine, so I don't have to show you my roommates. Whew, I had to walk up all these steps every day and it was so hard. Okay, so up here, the window, that's the other bedroom. This is like the water heater closet. And then this one right here is my bedroom. So all the bedrooms look like this. They all come with the bed, the headboard, the desk, the chair. And then in here's the bathroom, nice shower, sink. And then this is my closet in here, and it came with this dresser as well. Let me double check. Anything in these guys? I don't think so. But that was the entire apartment. So all the bedrooms are identical. The only difference is this one is flipped on like that side of the wall, if that makes any sense. I really did like living here. I thought it was like reasonable rent, and the maintenance was really nice, which I've had problems with bad maintenance in the past. So I would recommend living here. It's nice because it also has a lot of space. Like I had my own bathroom. It was just like nice privacy in my last apartment. Like I could hear everyone talking if I was still in my bedroom, which I guess I could hear, but you know what I mean. Like this is a good spacious apartment. Decently cheap because it's so far from campus. I think I'm gonna get rid of all my cleaning stuff and then I'm gonna check out. There isn't really much else that I can do, and the rest of the stuff here is theirs. I wiped down everything like, oh, I should wipe down the freezer. But I did everything that I could. Ice cubes are going everywhere. You know what, I'm just gonna throw them in the sink. All my stuff is clean, so it should be good. I'm officially moved out. I honestly, like I said, I really liked this apartment. I just felt like there were so many bad memories attached to this place for me that I am excited to never see that place ever again. I'm so excited. I also got a package, which is a sample of merch. So now I have some errands that I need to run. I need to get a P.O. box for the to-do list. I need to go to Target. There's just like a bunch of things that I need to do. Goodbye to this place. Oh my God, look. This was the shuttle. That was my apartment. That's the window from the hallway. And then this was the shuttle that I took all first semester to go to class. Wow, mems. Okay, goodbye to this apartment. See you never. Back home now. I don't know if this is gross, but I'm sitting on my mattress with no bedding. I just threw it in the dryer and we're about to go through the photos. The view gallery. I love them all. Okay, I was making lunch. This is actually kind of a funny story. I was making lunch and I was putting a lemon down the garbage disposal just to make it smell better. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that trick. Life hack. But I was doing that and then I heard my doorbell and I was like, oh no, I'm in trouble. I don't know about you guys, but I always assume that I'm in trouble no matter what happens. The smallest thing could happen and I'm like, I'm gonna get arrested. Like constantly terrified of authority, right? It was the maintenance guy bringing me a trash can. I've lived here for a full year and they have not a full year, but it won't go in. How do I do this? So yeah, I finally have one. I had to ask so many times, but I'm glad that I finally have one. I don't want the lid on it. Guy was so nice. I was so happy to see him. I was like, oh my god, thank you. Probably was like, calm down. It's just a trash can. You guys, this took me hours. I cleared out this cube system and I put the rest of the to-do list in here. This is not all of them. I still have them in like 5 bins. There's another one over there. So trust me, it's not just this, but you're looking at thousands of to-do lists right now. And then I had to deconstruct every box that they came in and they all had this filling. Every single box also had 1 sheet of this on here just so I could see which one was which. So I have 4 trash bags. 4. That took me so long. I was gonna vlog it, but I was like, this is taking too long and I was losing my mind. I think that I need to vacuum because there's little bits of, you can kind of see like cardboard and everything around here. I might go put this in down the recycling chute, recycle that stuff. Honestly, I'm just shocked that it took me as long as it did. It looks so bare right now without all the boxes. I kind of love it. So my couch is being delivered tomorrow. They actually just texted me and they shortened the window. So the delivery window was supposed to be from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and they shortened it from 11:45 a.m. to 2:45 p.m. I'm good with that. I was planning anyways on being home all day tomorrow, just waiting for them. So I made like a list of things to do. I made a daily to-do list for tomorrow. I use my weekly to-do list every single week, but sometimes when I have more things going on or things kind of get switched around throughout the week, I like to just make a daily just to kind of not have as much mind clutter. Now it is time to make the bed. I've been working in bed for a little bit, editing this video that I was working on this morning. Not even halfway done. It's a lot of work. Kind of cute that you can see me here, even though I'm completely out of focus. Oh, my autofocus wasn't on. This is quite the shot that you're seeing. Whenever I do a rough cut, I don't really need to listen to the sound of the video, so I always put something on the background. And I really love what I did here. I love this thing. This vase is from Target, and then this eucalyptus is from Amazon. Let me know if you want me to link it down below. I also have these vases from Amazon and this little like bead thing from Amazon. These were in my living room, but I put all the to-do list there and I really love that. I have a smaller version of this in my dining table. Like, I just think this is so cute. I am obsessed. I want to make dinner. Hopefully my salmon is defrosted. Let's see. Walking over to the kitchen. Is it frozen? I'm gonna make some salmon for dinner. I got the bags of like frozen salmon from Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna put it in this little bowl and marinate it for like 30 minutes. Typically I'd like to marinate it for longer, but I didn't have that much time. It's so gross though. Oh, ew, 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 ew. Oh, dang it. This is one of my favorite recipes ever. I found it on TikTok. Actually, one of my friends found it and sent it to me. I like kind of want to show you the salmon, but also like, I think it's gross and I know not everyone likes looking at raw stuff. So, salt and pepper. I just eyeball everything. I hate when people give recipes and they don't give measurements, but I don't have any measurements. I am a big fan of pepper, so I kind of always overdo the pepper. You don't have to if you don't want to. The other ingredient, oh dang it, normally I would do like a vegetable with it. I love getting the frozen Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's and then putting this sauce on it, but they were all out, so they didn't have it. I get the pre-minced garlic. Keep opening the wrong drawer for my silverware. And I like garlic, so like this is a lot of garlic. This is how much I do. It's a lot. And I kind of just spread it. If this is too much garlic for you, don't do that much garlic. But for me, for a garlic lover, it's good. Soy sauce. I just kind of do a couple of splashes. This is the star of the show. This is the sweet chili sauce from Trader Joe's. And then I also just eyeball this. I basically just like pour it all over top of the salmon. And I've made this many times where I put all the seasoning on it and then I freeze it. And so all I have to do is defrost it. And it's one of my favorite meal prep. I find it's better the longer it waits. So I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and let it marinate. And while that's waiting, I'm probably gonna get back to work. Whenever I make this, I always use the air fryer. That's my favorite way to make salmon. I wonder if I have any tin foil. I do. It's huge tin foil though. I got it from Costco. It is longer than my upper body. I know you're technically not supposed to put tin foil in here because that's how the air fryer works, but I live life on the edge. I'm just kidding. I do not live life on the edge. Okay, this is clearly going to be way too big. Like I said, I would normally throw Brussels sprouts in here and just make them at the same temperature, but that's not happening today. And then any other juices, I'm just gonna pour it on. I always do a fish setting. I've never used the fish setting on this one, so 8 minutes, that feels wrong. Normally it's a lot longer. What is the shrimp setting? What the heck? This just feels wrong. Okay, whatever, we're gonna trust it. Oh, I just turned it off. I don't know, that doesn't feel right. My other ones would cook for like 20 minutes. That's 8 minutes, and I don't have a meat thermometer. I am nervous to eat this, but I added some jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. I think that next time I need to cook it a little longer because it's a little like hard. I also opened up my window so my apartment doesn't smell like salmon. We'll do a taste test, but I'm like so nervous. I'm gonna get salmon vanilla. That's good. Yeah, I think it's fine, hopefully. Little bit of an update. It's almost 10 p.m. I've been packaging up the to-do list in plastic wrap. I did this one last night. I did all of this today, so I'm completely done plastic wrapping these ones. Honestly, I still don't know what I'm naming them at this point in time. And then I did a little bit of these. I could probably do more, but I'm really tired and I did a lot. Like, this is a lot. I think I'm just gonna wash my face and go to bed. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.